What's up guys, welcome back to my channel DePIN. So in today's video I'll be doing a full video tutorial on how to start OptimAi AI node. So this video I'll be showing a full tutorial on how to start and also on how to get started in this video. First thing first is to come to the register. So once you have registered through the link which I'll drop in the description below, so the next thing you need to do is to add to extension. So to add the extension is very easy. You come to this side here, you come to this download nodes. But if you're in my Telegram channel, I've already dropped the extension link you can use. So you can put the extension on your Google or your Firefox, also on Optim if you are using a laptop. But if you are using phone or iPhone, you can use Chrome extension. I hope you understand. So I also use Chrome extension. So also increase your OptimAi nodes AI. And you can also link to your Telegram nodes. So I've already linked mine to my Telegram nodes. I've also linked it to my extension. So I'll come to this extension which is on Chrome. So once I click on it here now, you can see add to Chrome. So I've already added it to Chrome. You can see remove from Chrome now. You can see right here. So if yours haven't been added to Chrome, you can add it to Chrome. Understand? And we're going to be showing on your extensions. Once I click on this three dots here, I'm going to see it on my extension. So it's right here now, you can see. So I'll go back to my dashboard to show you other things you have to know about this. So once you have added to your extension, you are good to go. So this is how your extension is going to look like. Just mine. The way mine is like this. So just go ahead and complete all these mission and reward tasks here. Make sure you complete every one of it. Understand? So you can see you can link your extension or your Telegram notes. You can link it to your device. You can see mine, I link it to what? You see my device is what? Optim AI. I add to Optim AI. I add to what? Chrome. It's also on what? Telegram. So I've also used Edge Node before. You understand? So you can link it to any of your device you wish to also link it. So I'll come to this tags right here. Come to this three dots here and click on the mission and tags. So once you click on it, you can see my mission. I've completed what 56 tags right here now. You can see, and I have gained over 2,000 of their tokens. You can see here. So you complete all these tags right here. Complete the tags here. So this first tag here is only for referral missions. I'll leave that for now. If you are not a referral type or anything, but this video is not for you to get a referral. So you can complete the community check here. You join the Telegram X, complete all these tags here. So you can also rate them on extensions. You give them 5 stars, you comment there and copy the link and paste it on it. You understand? That's how I did mine. Hope you understand. So another task here which is right here is to rate them on Android Edge. So I've already installed my app on my device now, so I'll be taking you through on how to do that right now. So another thing is also, if I install your extension, you also get what 300 OptimAi AI, and if you have reached 48 hours, you can also claim 100 plus. If you have reached 100 hours, you can also claim 200 plus. So my next claim is to claim these 1,000 hours, which I will be heading to and be claiming very soon now. So to install this OptimAi AI node, so I already downloaded it already. So I'll click on this right here. So I've already downloaded it, so I'll just click on to verify now. So this is the app on Google Play Store. So you install it. I've already installed mine. You can see it's showing open. So I'll open it now so that you can get started. And it's also the same thing with the extension browser too. So next thing to do once I've installed it is to click on this verify now. So I'll click on it and I'll get the 500 optimism. So once I'm done, I'm good to go. So now task has been completed and I've gotten the 500 optimism. So you can also check the other tags here, which is what to add on their announcement group on Telegram. So there are also other tasks you can also complete right here. I hope you understand. So you can check each task and make sure you complete all the tasks. So also on this, which is to what, to react on our Android Edge node and give them what, 5 star. So I'll click on these rates now. So I'm taken to my Play Store. So now on my Play Store, next thing to do is to react on their post. So I'll give them 5 star. So once I give them the 5 star, and I'll comment anything which I want to comment. So I'll just say, for now, you're just saying good project. Understand? So, and I'll click on post. So I'll click on post. So once I'm done, I'll click on done. So now I'll go back to the extension. I'll go back to my extension back. So you don't need to copy any link here or anything. So once you are done that, you are good to go. So next thing to click on is verify now. So once I verify it, the tasks have been completed. You can see. So you can also check the other tasks you need to do so that you can also get their tokens. I hope you understand. So I'll go through the app now. So you can see it's also the same interface which the other has. So you log in the same details in your account from your extension also into this browser. You can see also the same extension. So you can see my extension is connected already. Understand? So you can be earning from the app also, and also earning from that also. And don't forget to also do your daily tasks here. Come to your daily tasks here, you complete it. I hope you understand. So you complete your daily tasks right there. I hope you understand. So another thing to also know on this project is also the referral part. So you can also check all your referral part. So you copy your ref link. So you copy it. Once you copy, you can share it to any of your friend or any of your member that want to also run the project. I hope you understand. So I want to explain more details about this referral part of it. So for this first one, which is the right one basic, and you'll be getting another tokens. So this is how it works here now. So once any of your friends are registered, they need to verify. So some of my members who have registered, so you can see there's only one person that have verified the account. So first person will get what, 10%, and second person will get 5%. Third person is going to get 2.5%. So once you are registered on this project, make sure you verify your email. So once you verify your email, your sponsors or your members can get their reward. I hope you understand. So you can see 1 has been confirmed and 2 has been on pending. So if you are also one of my members there, make sure you verify your email. You understand? So once you verify your email, you are good to go. And make sure you're running this project every day, because this project is visiting very soon. I don't want anybody to miss from this project. So at the end of this video, I'm going to drop the link of this extension in the description below so that you also get started. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like this video so that you can also benefit from this video.